Hello folks, today we're going to be talking about tastytrade's desktop version 2.260. We'll start things off by talking about how you can change your account colors now, which you can see at the top of the platform and in your positions tab. To get started, click on the gear icon on the left side panel and make sure you're in the accounts module. And then just have account selected at the top. Below that, you'll see a list of your accounts and each of their colors and a drop down arrow where you can change that color. Once you're all set, go ahead and click OK. Now you'll see your account color is updated at the top of the platform and in the Positions tab. We got a set of colors for just right now, but we'll have plenty more coming up in future updates. Next, we have a nice addition where you can add POP 15, 30, 45, and 60 to your trading window. POP stands for the probability of profit and is the probability of making at least 1 cent on a trade at a specific date. POP 15, 30, 45, and 60 are the probability of profit at 15 days, 30 days, 45 days, and 60 days. To get started, you can go to the gear icon in the top right of the trade tab, and in there make sure you're in the trade settings and in displays, and then all you're going to want to do is just left click, drag, and drop each of these metrics to the displayed section on the left. So you can left click and drag whichever ones you want. You can also remove them by left clicking and dragging to the right, and you can change around the order as you see fit. Once you're all done, you can go ahead and click OK. And now at the bottom of your screen or top of the trade ticket, you'll see all those different metrics. What's nice, or well, it's always happened, but you'll be able to see these values update in real time as you're adjusting your trades. Next, we got a nice little addition to our order chains where we added in some new shorter time frames for analyzing or backtracking your options positions. To do so, just make sure you open up the right side panel in the top right corner of the platform, and then you'll be in the order chains tab by clicking on the button here. And in the top right, you can click on the time frames up here, and that's where you'll be able to select now 7 days or 14 days, depending on when you recently placed your trades. Might be looking to add some more time frames. Feel free to reach out to us if you want to see something else. Lastly, we're going to talk about how you can place and adjust bracket orders in our grid trading mode. To get started with this, you're going to need to get into the grid trading mode on the trade tab in the drop down in the top left. And once you're in the grid trading mode, all you got to do is just go ahead and right click on anywhere on your chart. Doesn't necessarily matter where you right click. Once you've done that, you'll go ahead and click on Start Bracket Order. Now you'll have a cursor which shows you which price you're going to start your bracket order at. If you go below, it'll open a buy order. You can take that window and drag it around as you see fit. And then in the bracket order screen, you can use the arrows to adjust your order's price, or you can left click and select and type in numbers as well. So you can set your take profit, stop loss points, and adjust your order as you see fit. Once you're ready to send it off, click on Review and Send. You'll get a quick confirmation on your trade, and then you can go ahead and click Send to send it off. Now your order is working, and you can see that working order on your chart as well. What's really nice is that you can always go in there and left click and then left click and drag to change that price at any time. So left click and hold and drag it to your new desired price. That'll cancel out of your order and place a new order at your new price. That's been all for this episode of tastytrade's Desktop Release Notes. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or concerns, and we got plenty more great stuff coming down the line. Have a good one.